Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Andy. In this video I'll be showing you how I created this super colorful, very playful glitter cut crease look. Now this look was inspired by a makeup look that I did last year March for St. Patrick's Day. So I had the rainbow and the pot of gold on one side and then the green on the other. So I just took those colors and I threw something together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hi y'all, so this is Andy from the future. While I was editing, I just wanted to stop in and say that if you haven't read my bio as yet, the whole purpose of my channel, or the objective of my channel, is for me to document my growth and explore my talents and basically my hidden treasures and capabilities. So I aspire to document those things and then be able to inspire and empower others to explore themselves and to not be afraid to try new things, basically. So I decided to film this instead of doing a voiceover because I want to get more comfortable in front of the camera. I plan to do more personal videos. If the lighting sucks, that's because I'm in my bedroom and I don't have any like studio lights set up. So I plan to do more personal videos, more talk through, maybe story times, vlogs, etc. I just started off with makeup because I love makeup and makeup is very comforting to me. It's therapeutic for me and it's a part of my journey, but there's much more to come. So basically I was inspired by the makeup look that I did in March of 2020. I was inspired by the colors actually, so I decided to recreate that and just test my blending abilities a bit. So let's just get back into the video. So I'm starting out this video with my eyebrows already completed. If you're interested in seeing how I do my detailed eyebrow routine, then you can check out the video that I posted before this one. So I'm just going to be priming my face with my AOA Studio Hydrating Face Primer. I just rub it all into my skin to get my skin prepped for my makeup. For this colorful look, I'll be priming my eyelids using my Ulta Beauty Matte Eye Primer in the shade Nude. Now, priming your eyelids with a light color is very essential for colored eyeshadow looks, and it comes in clutch for dark skin girls because it basically creates a blank canvas so that the colors can pop and show up, you know. So I place it in the shape that I want my eyeshadow to be, which is in a winged shape, and then I just buff it out with a fluffy brush. So to start off my eyeshadow, I'm using my Cara Beauty palette and I'm just taking this light orange shade on a fluffy crease brush and I'm blending that at the beginning of my underbrow area. Because I want my colors to gradually build up, I'm starting with the lighter colors and then moving into more vibrant ones. So now I'm taking this more vibrant orange and I'm applying that in the same area, and then I'll be blending it outwards more so that I can blend into the next color that I put down. I find that when you pat the eyeshadow in and then blend it out, the color looks more pigmented. Once I'm done blending the orange on both eyes, I use the same brush and I pick up this orangish red shade and I'm just blending that in to use as a transition before I apply my pink. Now I'm using a clean brush to pick up this pink shade to blend at the end where the red orange is. I really hope that I'm making sense and that I'm explaining this as thorough as possible, but maybe it'd be best like if you just see what I'm doing instead of me talking. Once the pink is blended out, I use that same brush and I take a purple shade and I apply that at the end of the pink. Now what I do is when I'm blending a new color, I blend it counterclockwise so that it can blend into the shade, and then I blend it clockwise so that it can blend outwards. Now sometimes with makeup, especially when you're using multiple colors, one color might get a bit faded in the process, so it's fine to just go back in to add more to make sure all the colors are popping. So now I'm taking this light green to blend at the end of the purple, and to be honest, at this point I was a bit nervous. Like I wasn't sure of how the green was going to work, but I know that I wanted to incorporate it, and I know that I had to make it work. So I'm blending that at the end of the purple, and y'all can see how it'll all play out. Like, just keep watching. So after I winged out the green with my fluffy pencil brush, I was happy with the blend. Like, I was satisfied. So now I'm taking my petroleum jelly and Q-tip, and I'm just using it to clean off some of the color. It's basically a technique that's used to cut the crease before actually cutting the crease. It avoids you mixing concealer with the colored eyeshadow, basically. Now once my crease is cleaned, I take this blue shade on a pencil brush, and then I just apply that in the crease and wing it out, and this is just going to be my base for my glitter. I know this look is giving junglist vibes right about now, but y'all saw it in the beginning, so don't fast forward to the end. Please watch me work my magic. So I'm just going to be applying that same primer on my lid and cutting my crease beneath the blue and winging that out for the eyeshadow that I'm going to put on my lid. Next, I'll be taking a flat brush and using a bright yellow eyeshadow. I'll be patting that onto my eyelid, starting from the inner corner, going to the middle of my lid. I forgot to show you which shade of green I used to wing out my eyeshadow on my lid, but that's it there. So I'm just taking it on the outer corner of my eyelid and then winging that out. To ensure that all the colors are blended in perfectly, I go back in with that fluffy brush that I used in the very beginning with the blue, and I'm just blending out that darker green into the purple and the blue. Now it's time for my favorite part of this whole eye makeup. I'm going to be using this chunky glitter on a tiny detail brush, and I'll be using my duo eyelash glue to place that in the crease where I put the blue eyeshadow, and then I'll be using that same brush to tap the glitter into my crease. I just applied some highlighter underneath my brow bones right quick, and then I'm taking my liquid eyeliner and I'm going to be applying a winged eyeliner today because, I mean, I might as well. It's a whole winged look.
Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás. Y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo bien quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi, buscaba aún así. Desde que te vi, buscaba aún así. Y por fin te conseguí.
After I've applied some green and yellow eyeshadow to my under eye just to complete my eye look, I'm using my wipes to clean up any fallout that I have on my face, and then I also use that to sharpen my wing and the outer edge of my eyeshadow. As usual, I'll be applying my foundation using my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage in the shade 380, and I'll just be pressing that all over the skin and blending that in. So if you've noticed, I actually match my foundation with my body instead of matching it with my face, because if I just match it with my face, then I'll be walking around with a ghost face and a dark body. So I prefer to use a darker foundation, and then I just bring light back into my face by highlighting. Listen, anybody that knows me well knows that SpongeBob references basically is my way of life. But anywho, I'm just going to be fast forwarding through the rest of my makeup routine because I wanted this to be centered around the way that I blend colors for the eyeshadow look. So I'm just going to be playing you some nice background music so you can vibe out throughout the rest of the video.
I'm sitting pretty impatient, but I know you gotta put in them errors. I'ma make it harder. I'm sending pick after picture, I'ma get you fired. I know you're always on the night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone. And I
So this is the completed look, y'all. I had so much fun filming this video, like y'all don't understand. But be sure to like and subscribe and tell a friend, tell a cousin, you know, let them know. Check out Andy's Candy. Much love and blessings to everyone. Bye.